Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match, and make sure that this function is enabled. Then go to lock screen and also make sure that lock screen is enabled. Now lock the screen and simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
Tomorrow in Krakow, there will be snow showers, with a high of 3 and a low of 1.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.